welcome to the User Interface Tour for AutoCAD Architecture and AutoCAD MEP. We've worked very hard to design the new user interface to offer better organization and faster access to the tools and commands you need most. In turn, you'll spend less time searching through the menus and more time focusing on your work. Overall, you will see a new streamlined user interface design, and one of the more visual features is the ability to work within a much larger drawing window. Let's quickly tour some of the features of this new user interface. In the upper left corner of your screen, you will find the new application menu. A single click on the A for easy access to a well-organized list of commands such as open, save, export, and publish. In addition, the application menu holds the utilities for drawing setup and repair, options, and any recently accessed documents. As you work with other Autodesk software, you'll find that the items in the application menu are consistent, allowing you to move between programs with ease. The ribbon spans the top of the application window and replaces the old menus and toolbars. Through extensive user research, we found that this simpler, unified format enabled users to move quickly and find the tools they needed. The ribbon organizes tools into a collection of tabs, which represent a workflow such as creating objects, annotating, and then rendering. Each tab contains a series of panels. A panel is a group of tools used to accomplish some part of that workflow. Because the ribbon is organized around the way you work, you'll be able to quickly find the appropriate tools to accomplish your tasks. The main tabs in the ribbon are always present: Home, Insert, Annotate, Render, View, and Manage. Contextual tabs display when you need them. When you start certain commands or select objects, a contextual tab displays to provide additional tools and settings related to that command or object. In turn, you can very effectively find the controls you need to complete your task. The contextual tab and its panels appear in a new color to indicate that a command is active. When you finish the command or deselect the object, the contextual tab and panels disappear. It's easy to identify objects and make changes using the contextual tab. For example, the building perimeter is quickly identified as an external reference, and via the Edit panel it can smoothly be opened and modified. There are some basic changes you can easily make to the user interface. For example, you can drag and drop tabs within the ribbon, or panels on a tab to reorganize them. You can also move panels anywhere outside of the application window, which can be advantageous in a dual monitor environment. Doing this allows you to keep chosen tools present even as you switch between tabs. It's quite easy to return a panel to its original tab. Either drag them back or click the arrow icon at the top left of the panel. And finally, many of the panels contain settings that can be expanded for use. You can easily pin the settings to keep them visible as long as you need them. When finished, a single click will roll the panel back up. The new user interface was designed to maximize the drawing area available. To further maximize, you can simply minimize the ribbon and obtain that additional drawing space. To the right of the ribbon tabs, you'll see a small arrow. Click the arrow once to minimize the panels to just their titles with a familiar image. Now click the arrow again to remove the image and show just the panel title. A third click removes the panel title and shows just the tab titles. And finally, one more click will return you to the full ribbon. The Quick Access toolbar is located at the top of the application window above the ribbon. It provides access to the most commonly used commands such as New, Open, Save, Undo, and Redo. You can easily customize the Quick Access toolbar so that it contains your most frequently used commands. Just right-click on the desired tool from the Ribbons tab, and select the Add to Quick Access toolbar option. To remove a tool from Quick Access, just right-click on the tool and select Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. If you find you want more toolbar space, simply move the Quick Access toolbar below the ribbon by selecting the small arrow on the right. To begin using a tool, simply click on it. If you don't know what the tool does, you can pause your cursor on the tool for just a moment to see a tooltip. These tips provide a brief description to help you better understand the command. In some cases, the tooltips can be expanded to show additional information. This summarizes the key features of the new user interface of AutoCAD Architecture and AutoCAD MEP software applications. We think you'll find the transition to the new user interface to be smooth, and that the streamlined, intuitive environment will help you work faster and more effectively.